In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the quotient function in Excel, which is a great function to know because it will return the integer portion whenever you're dividing two numbers in Excel with ease. So here I have an example of the number of tasks completed for each employee, the tasks completed in the tasks per day, and we want to return the number of full days estimated to be worked. To do this using the quotient function, we can do equals quotient, and the numerator is the total number of tasks completed, and the denominator is the tasks per day to get 12 days fully completed for the first employee. We copy and paste this down to get the number of full days completed. To kind of show you additionally how this works, we can do a calculation off the side to do equal number of tasks over the tasks per day, which will give you 12.125 for the first employee. We can copy paste this down to get the same number with an integer for each employee. Now we can do full days, this number right here, minus the number of full days, calculate the quotient function to get kind of quick and dirty remainder off to the side right here. And this is a super helpful function to know because I've seen other use cases where people use a round down or a floor function or an int function to kind of try to return the same thing of the integer portion of dividing two numbers. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.